The Dodge Dart received a major redesign for the 1967 model year. The new Dart sported a dual-plane front-end contour with a recessed center section in the bumper, grille, and hood. The Dart styling cues also featured a new curved rear window and curved side glass. In addition, signal lamps were placed into the grille between the forward and recessed sections. The big news for the 1967 Dart was a new GTS package. It was available on both the two-door hardtop and convertible. This performance bundle featured heavy-duty suspension, front disc brakes, redline wide oval tires, and dual exhaust. The package also included all vinyl upholstery, foam padded seats, and full carpeting. This beautifully restored 1967 Dodge Dart GTS is one of 5 383 cubic inch 4-speeds produced and one of 383 cubic inch 4-speeds painted medium copper metallic. Restored at RKM Performance Center and now with just over 600 miles since completion, this Dart GTS is intended for the most discriminating Mopar collector or enthusiast. This Dodge Dart is equipped with the original 383 cubic inch motor mated to a smooth shifting A833 4-speed manual transmission and an 8.75 inch sure grip rear end with 3.23 gears. The metallic finish on this car is practically absent of any flaws and is accented by the white interior to achieve a combination of colors soothing to the eye. This is a well-documented vehicle with the original broadcast sheet, VIN tag, fender tag, and marketing materials. If you would like to learn more about this vehicle, please contact us at Legendary Motors, LLC.